Brought to you by Earth Rangers. April is Earth Month, and that means it's time to bring back the wild. Animals across Canada are in trouble and need your help. It's time for you to take action. Go to earthrangers.com, become an Earth Ranger, and choose the animal you want to help protect. And for a limited time, you could enter the Whales, Trails, and Polar Bear Tales contest for your chance to win one of 4 Arctic adventures. Search for polar bears in the tundra buggy, kayak alongside beluga whales, and so much more. Enter today at earthrangers.com.